Myth. Global warming can't be happening because some glaciers and ice sheets are growing, not shrinking. Fact. In most parts of the world, the retreat of glaciers has been drastic. The best available scientific data indicates that Greenland's massive ice sheets are shrinking. Between 1961 and 1997, the world's glaciers lost 890 cubic miles of ice. The consensus among scientists is that rising air temperatures are the most important factor behind the retreat of glaciers on a global scale over long time periods. Some glaciers in western Norway, Iceland, and New Zealand have been expanding during the past few decades. That expansion is a result of regional increases in storm frequency and snowfall, rather than colder temperatures, not at all incompatible with a global warming trend. In Greenland, a NASA satellite that can measure the ice mass over the whole continent has found that although there is a variation from month to month, over the long term the ice is disappearing. In fact, there are worrisome signs that melting is accelerating. Glaciers are moving into the ocean twice as fast as a decade ago, and over time, more and more glaciers have started to accelerate. What is most alarming is the prediction, based on model calculations and historic evidence, that an approximately 5.4 degree Fahrenheit increase in local Greenland temperatures will lead to irreversible meltdown and sea level rise of over 20 feet. Since the Arctic is warming 2 to 3 times faster than the global average, this tipping point is not far away. The only study that has shown increase in ice mass is in Greenland only looked at the interior of the ice sheet, not at the edges where melting occurs. This is actually in line with climate model predictions that global warming would lead to a short-term accumulation of ice in the cold interior due to heavier snowfall. Similarly, the scientists have predicted that Antarctica overall will gain ice in the near future due to heavier snowfall. The scientists who published the study were careful to point out that their results should not be used to conclude that Greenland's ice mass as a whole is growing. In addition, their data suggests that the accumulation of snow in the middle of the continent is likely to decrease over time as global warming continues.